Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you a TikTok shop tutorial, how to create a TikTok shop. Alright, so now once you're here in TikTok shop or shop.tiktok.com on your browser, and then you will be prompted right here on this website. So what you want to do from here is click on get started, and then you'll be prompted right down, and then you'd be able to see the provision of TikTok shop for the 4 native ways to shop. And then you would have to scroll down in order to see this, and you want to select which one you are right here, in which purpose you are creating a TikTok shop for, as an affiliate, as a partner creator, or a seller. But in this video, we'll be going as a seller because I think most of you are a seller right here. So I'm gonna go click on learn more once I have selected seller, so that I would be redirected to seller.tiktok.com. So this is where you would want to create your shop if you are a seller. And then from here, it is very important that you pick your region correctly according to where your target audience is, because this would be very crucial in advertising and making your product show up or whatsoever. So you'll make sure that this is correct. So in my case, I'll just go for Asia, and I want to sell in the Philippines. So I'm a Philippine seller right here. I'm going to click on answer right here. And then from here, I would be logging in. But as you can see, I am automatically logged in because I'm currently logged in with my TikTok shop. So from here, what we want to do is that you want to click on sign up first, because if you don't have an account, obviously you need to sign up. But if not, then you can just provide your details right here. What I do not recommend is to log in with TikTok account, because when you do this, compared to when you sign up with a different email or a separate email, you can just unlink your email from your TikTok account, and that way you would still have your separate TikTok shop account. But with this one, I don't really recommend this one because this is much more complicated in the long run. So I suggest that you just go with the sign up button right here. So you want to click on that right here so that you would be able to start signing up for your TikTok shop. So from here, what you want to do is that you simply need to provide your mobile number and your password. And then after that, TikTok is going to be asking for your valid IDs and other legal information that TikTok requires. So you want to make sure that you are ready for that, including your TIN or maybe your business number or whatsoever right there. So you want to make sure that you are prepared with that one so that you would be able to register in the TikTok shop. And then one thing that you would want to remember is that there is a policy in TikTok that only one account is permitted per user or per identity. But if you want to have multiple accounts, TikTok shops, then you would need to create another LLC or whatsoever right there. So from here, I'll not be showing you the next steps because I have already used my identity and my phone number right here. I can't use it again to sign up. But you don't have to worry because it is very direct to the point, and all you have to do basically is just provide your information, and boom, you will be logged in into your TikTok shop. And then just like that, you have successfully created a TikTok shop. Just as easy as that. All that's left is to connect it into your TikTok account and become an affiliate so that you would have a cart on your videos, just like this one right here. As you can see, you would have this when you live stream, and this one right here, you have the yellow cart. That would be also possible if you have the TikTok shop and connect your TikTok account, and this one right here. And I already have videos about this one, so you might want to check out my channel on the videos that I have concerning this, on how you can set up your TikTok shop and your TikTok account so that you would become an affiliate and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.